Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to send link on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to send link on Monopoly Go, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is log into the game, and then you'll find friends in the bottom right corner of your screen, as you can see right there. So to send link on Monopoly Go, it's fairly simple. So first off, you have three buttons here, which is Contacts, Facebook, and Invite. So in Invite, just press that one right there. And here you will find the yellow button or the blue button, which signifies to copy link or to send it via Messenger, Facebook, and so on and so forth. So you can send this link to your friends, families, and whoever you want to invite to play Monopoly Go. So you just press Invite and it will show you variety of options where you can invite people via WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and so on and so forth, like I said. So you can also actually add contacts right here. So you can just type in their phone number and it will automatically send an invite to them. And that's just how you send a link on Monopoly Go. It's fairly simple and easy to do. So all you have to really do again, as I said, is go to the bottom right corner of your screen and press invite. So once you have invited, also there's gonna be a lot of rewards for you to obtain, such as 20 and 60 and 100 dices for free, as long as you have invited as a minimum of 10 people into the game. So the price for that is 150 dices, and you get a free special character to use in the game itself. So that's just how you invite people on Monopoly Go and send the link to them in Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.